Hey guys, welcome back. So if you're wondering why I look like trash today, my hair is looking disgusting, it's because it's colouring day, and today I'm going to be using the Wella Colour Fresh Mask in Lilac Frost on my platinum blonde, slightly yellowed hair, and we're going to see how it goes. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and let's get into it. So the first thing we need to do is wash my hair. So I am going to be using, if I can find where I put it, the Rhyme and Reason Colour Protect shampoo. I'm just literally going to wash my hair with this, plonk on number 2, and we're going to see how it goes. Step 1 is done, the hair is wet. Step 2, let's chuck some shampoo in there. Let's give that a quick towel dry. So I'm just going to comb through my hair with a wet brush. Okay, the important time. So I'm going to go in. Supposedly you're meant to wear gloves. Of course, I do not have gloves. So, got rid of the plastic seal. I wonder how dark this is going to stain my hands pretty badly. But the colour's really nice, so hopefully this is going to look super good. And then we're just going to slap it on and hope I get every bit. Every bit? Yeah, every bit. Look. Oh, it's going to be really lilac-y. Exciting! I wonder how much of this I'm going to use. I've got quite fine hair, but I've got a lot of it, so. And I'd much rather, why is talking so hard when you're filming? Much rather use too much and get all of it than not use enough. I'm gonna go with even more. I'm like so worried there's gonna be like a patchy splodge somewhere. Okay, I think I'm done. So I'm gonna leave this on. It says 10 minutes. My hands are so like. I'm gonna leave it on for the first 10 minutes. Is how long it says on the tube, but I do want this to last longer than like a couple of washes, so I might leave it on longer. We will see. I will let you know in the next clip. Interestingly, in like inside daylight, it just kind of looks like an ashy grey blonde, which is really interesting because it is definitely like a purple. I do like the colour. It is kind of interesting, because it's on that like lilac-y purple spectrum, it should fade out quite nicely. My hair feels really, really healthy, so that is a plus. God, I don't know what's wrong with the lighting. It might be a bit bright in here because I'm by the window. But yeah, the colour's super interesting and I think it's a bit unique. Don't know why that word was so hard to say. I think it's a little bit unique. So it's nice to have something different, and it should fade out quite nicely again because it's got the lilac-y grey tones. So it's sort of just like a mega toning for my hair. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and would I recommend this product? Yes, but if you've got patchy hair like I do, it isn't going to be completely even. Why did I say evening? Good evening. I don't know why. Hopefully someone got that football reference. We'll see. But yeah, I like it. So maybe I preferred the blonde. I don't know, but not the end of the world. Hair is hair. You know, do what you want with it. Shave it off. Cut it how you like. Color it the colors you like, and you know, you only get one life. So if you like this video, thumbs up, subscribe, all that jazz that I've already mentioned, and I'll see you next time.